Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's probably crossed your mind if you've ever used Paysafe. How long does it take for a Paysafe transfer to hit your bank account? This is a question I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be helpful to do a video on it. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about what Paysafe is. Paysafe is a prepaid e-wallet that you can use to make online purchases. It's a great way to keep your financial information safe and secure, and it's also a convenient way to make payments. Now, let's get to the question at hand. How long does it take for a Paysafe transfer to hit your bank account? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the type of transfer you're making, the bank you're using, the country you're in. In general, it takes 1 to 3 business days for a Paysafe transfer to hit your bank account. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're making a transfer from your Paysafe account to your bank account, it may take longer than 3 business days. This is because Paysafe has to process the transaction first. If you're making a transfer from a merchant to your Paysafe account, it may take longer than 3 business days. This is because the merchant has to process the transaction first. If you're making a transfer from a bank account to your Paysafe account, it may take longer than 3 business days. This is because your bank has to process the transaction first. Once the transaction is processed, it will take 1 to 3 business days for the money to hit your bank account. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. You can check the status of your transfer in your Paysafe account. If your transfer is taking longer than expected, you can contact Paysafe customer support. So, there you have it. The answer to the question how long does it take for a Paysafe transfer to hit your bank account is 1 to 3 business days. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.